With a whole new exquisite and folding design, our E60 drone is going to bring a whole new visual experience.
Although in a compact and innovative folding design, it's very handy and flexible, easy to carry and fly. Before flight,
remove the joysticks in the remote control and install them in the appropriate positions.
now install the self-purchased 4 batteries in the remote control. We can follow this video for the operation and finish the code matching of aircraft and the remote control. When everything is ready, select a place of wide, open and no barrier for practicing. Before flight, fully charged battery. This is for powerful battery supply during flight. Flight operations demonstration. Ascend. Descend. Forward. Backward. Left sideward flight. Right sideward flight. Left spin. Right spin.
High and low speed switch. Trimmer key. Headless mode. Camera video mode. 3D rolling mode. Come on, let's take the E60 and start to take the beautiful view and release your feeling as you soar in the sky. E60 drone, undoubtedly a great drone.